I'm Jennifer with Jennifer at Home, and I'm super excited you're here today for the Wreaths Galore Challenge featuring gingerbread men. Before we get started on our wreath, be sure to like and subscribe. This wreath collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, At Home with Lisa, Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Deborah Cabeza Home Living, Lifestyle Design with Teresa, and Jennifer at Home. I am so excited to be part of this wreath collaboration. I'm going to be making my wreath a wonderful, delightful little gingerbread. The first thing I have is a large gingerbread cookie cutter, and I'm just going to take a little piece of twine that's red and white stripe, and I'm going to put it around and tie a little knot. This is going to be the big accent on my gingerbread wreath. A nice big brass gingerbread cookie cutter. I'm going to slip this on one of the branches, and this will be the start of my gingerbread wreath. This will hang right down in the middle when I hang my wreath on the front door. The next thing I'm going to do is add some adorable little cute gingerbread men. Look how cute these are. I just recently got these at Hobby Lobby. However, I realized it was much less expensive because these were 50% off, and it was so much less expensive to buy an actual garland with all of these little gingerbread men than to buy them individually. So I'm just going to take this and start clipping off the string. I'm going to leave it long enough to tie on each end so I can actually make a loop to hook these onto my wreath. I'm just going to clip this off, and then I'll just tie a nice little loop. And if I ever decide to not have these on the wreath, they'll be wonderful, cute little ornaments to put on a little Christmas tree. I'll tie that nice and snug, just like that. And now I have independent little gingerbread men to add all around my wreath. Now that all of our little gingerbread men are completely free from the garland, we're going to just take these little gingerbread men and start draping them over the branches on the wreath. As I add them, I'll twist the branches a little bit just so they don't fall off. You can also add more cookie cutters to your wreath as well. The gingerbread cookie cutters are a really nice addition. Now that our wreath is all done and completely covered with delightful little gingerbread men and the beautiful big cookie cutter, let's take this outside and hang it up on the front door. Here's how our adorable little gingerbread wreath looks on the front door. All of the happy little gingerbread men and the beautiful little gingerbread cookie cutter. It's the perfect accent to greet friends over the holiday season. I had so much fun putting this wreath together with these delightful little gingerbread men. They're just absolutely adorable, and I was so happy to put my wreath up on my front door. It looks so cute, and I'll already be ready for the holiday season. Be sure to check out all the other channels listed below, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.